threatened for a moment in the semi-final against Tina
Immaculate Conception High School 1165 her best.
Lavanya Williams here from Racines to William Nib.
Yeah, she's hoping to make that top 6.
And here now, Tina Clayton from Edwin Allen.
World Under 20 champion from last year and plans to do it again this year in Cali. She won the girls' championship 100 meters, Tina Clayton of Edwin Allen.
This young lady generally gets a fantastic start. Alana Reed from Hydel.
Great over 200 meters. She's looking to maybe utilize her speed endurance and come through in this one.
Justin Brilliant came in at 11.49. Easing down. Serena Cole.
A businesswoman. I like Serena Cole a lot. A long jumper and a sprinter at Edwin Allen. She ran 11.24 an hour ago to get into this final and then went on to get the long jump going on. Look for Serena Cole to be in the frame.
Yes, on 11-1 this season. And now Kirika Hill, also of Hydel.
No hurdles tonight, but this event might be a big hurdle for her. She's going to go out there and do her best, trying to make that top 2 spot.
Age group record holder as well, Kirika Hill. And then in lane 7, don't know how often she will end up in lane 7. Tia Clayton.
11.56 is the time that she jogged to get here. She knows she can finish in the top 2. Only 2 go to represent us in the 100 meters at the World Junior Champs.
And then from Petersfield, out there in West, Alexis James.
Westmoreland's best, Alexis James, 11.57. Her time coming in, she's way faster than that.
The final of the under 20 girls 100 meters.
Am I allowed to ask for a sub 11, Spencer, or should I not ask for a sub 11?
I think you can, if the conditions appear conducive. This is a sumptuous lineup. I think Serena Cole will be very, very dangerous here. Tina Clayton, the world under 20 champion, can't rule that out and underestimate her chances. She knows how to produce the goods on the big stage. Quality lineup assembled. Paisley Williams, Clayton, Reed, Cole, Hill, Clayton, and James.
Set.
There you go, clean start. Great start by Tina Clayton, the world under 20 champion. The rest will have to do their running from behind. Tina Clayton, Serena Cole is coming forward, but Tina Clayton, the world under 20 champion, is the national junior champion, 10.97. That's the unofficial time. That equals the national junior record. We wait for the official time. Another stunning performance by Tina Clayton, the class act, coming good when it matters most and delivering another superb performance on the big stage. 10.96, new national junior record for Tina Clayton. What a performance!
I think this is going to start a whole snowballing effect, Bruce. We have 300 meters to go tonight. And what a way to start. This is great. This is great. We need to see this kind of sprinting. Of course, you have the ability, demonstrate it, bring it out, and that's what she did.
Positive 1.0 seconds. Meters per second, that's what we needed. The best start may have been Immaculate Paisley lane 1, but by the 3rd step, Tina Clayton running with purpose and a mission. Serena Cole, we said it before the race, steps up for 2nd, but Tina Clayton on a major mission, looks at the clock, leans, and she saw the 10.97 flash time, got excited, said, wow, I did my first sub 11. But then, when the announcement came, Spencer Darlington made you know it, a new national junior record, 10.96 seconds by Tina Clayton. Amazing running. Serena Cole second, 11.13. Twin sister Tia in for 3rd.
Edwin Allen, 1, 2, 3.
Does it matter? Yes, it does. Look at that. Practically in tears. Every day training, pushing your body, and she is now the